Today, using Minexa.ai, I'll show you how to scrape multiple cybersecurity job listings from Elempleo.com automatically, with no code needed and API available if you want it. Go to the Elempleo.com page, where you can see the cybersecurity job listings ready to scrape. Next, open Minexa by clicking its icon in your browser toolbar to get started. Click the violet button that says, "Yes, I'm on the right page," so Minexa can analyze and detect the cybersecurity job listings automatically. In seconds, Minexa understands the full page structure fully automatically, ready to extract your data quickly. Now, choose List Mode or go deeper by scraping each job's detail page for more information. For simple pages, just click Continue. Use advanced options if you need clicks, form submissions, or scrolling before scraping. Minexa has highlighted the main data container. Click Create Scraper to let it learn all fields automatically. Now, Minexa identified every relevant field, like job titles, company names, locations, posting dates, and job descriptions. Select what matters, and this scraper runs on similar pages forever. If you are a developer, click API Request. The scraper targets exact DOM positions so your output is consistent every run. Hit Complete Configuration to lock in the scraper and finalize your setup. Minexa automatically locks in pagination navigation, so every future run will go through all available pages. Almost done. Connect Google Sheets if you want results pushed there after each run, then create your scraping job. The last step is simple. Just hit Run, and Minexa will start extracting all cybersecurity job listings automatically. Every value comes exactly as shown on the site. No AI guesswork in between. You get structured data with job titles, companies, locations, salaries, and post dates, all clean and consistent every time you run the scraper. Download your results with 1 row per job and 1 column per field. The data is ready for immediate use in Excel, JSON, or Google Sheets. Whatever data you see on a website, Minexa can extract it. For developers, it does so without token costs, hallucinations, or complex scraping stacks to maintain.